like that? Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I hope you always healthy and happy. Now I will use English language because my friend from Thailand requests Ami, please use English language. So I will try. Hopefully you can understand. Now I will cook fried noodle with beef. So I will show you what ingredient I use. First I will use chopped or garlic, and then red onion, chili, and spring onions. Beef, I put seasoning inside soy sauce, sweet ketchup, salt, sugar, and corn flour. Boiled of noodles, bean sprout, egg. So I will show you how to cook. Let's see. First, put some oil, salt, then garlic, chili, red onion, and the white spring onion. After change color, we put egg, then cook beef. Stir until change the color. After change the color, we mix together, and then we put some soy sauce, sweet ketchup, and then fish sauce. Add the noodles and stir. After, we put bean sprout, and green onion. We try first. Good. We turn off. Ready. Ooh. Let's eat. I will try first the beef. I will try the beef. Delicious. The beef is very soft and crunchy. I like it. Oh, it's very yummy. You know, like we eat in restaurant. All very clean, but only chili because I can't eat, so just everything, beef, egg, french fries, all inside in my stomach. So delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.